And turning our attention to the top story of the day, Prime Minister Narendra Modi is scheduled to visit Manipur today as part of a major development push in the state. During his visit, he will first travel to Churachandpur, where he will lay the foundation stone for a series of development projects estimated to be worth over 7,300 crore. Now, these projects are expected to significantly boost infrastructure and economic growth in the region after months of communal strife. After the event in Churachandpur, the Prime Minister will also proceed to the state capital of Imphal. There, he will inaugurate completed projects valued at around 1,200 crores. Now, this is a major development dive in Manipur where the communal fault lines continue to persist between different groups. Take a look at these ground reports our reporter has brought to you.
For last 2 years, Manipur has been grappling with ethnic strife, violence, instability, loss of life. Presently, there is peace here. It's near about 8,500 crore developmental projects will be inaugurated by Narendra Modi. Here in Imphal and also in Churachandpur, huge arrangements have been made because he is going to do 2 sabhas, one in Churachandpur and second in Imphal. Here in Kangla Fort, inside the Kangla Fort, he will have a public meeting here, and you can see that huge arrangements, security arrangements are being made. Senior army officers have been here camping for some time, and they have been checking all the procedures. Senior security personnel, all the senior officers are here, and you can see that huge security arrangements have been made here. And also in Churachandpur peace ground, there also first Narendra Modi is expected to come there, and from there he is going to talk to the people out there and have a meeting out there. From there he is going to come in this Imphal, and here also he is going to have a meeting. So definitely lot of hope and expectation. People are expecting that the Prime Minister will come here, and they are hoping that there is a huge fracture in Manipur. People definitely aware in agony and are in agony, but they believe that Narendra Modi will come and definitely some good news will be there. The road which leads to Imphal to Churachandpur is heavily guarded by security, and obviously the VVIP will come, and you can see that in this entire route, this type of anti-mine cars, anti-mine vehicle, anti-bomb vehicle, bulletproof vehicles are being deployed in this entire area. Here itself we can see that 7 anti-mine vehicle and anti-bulletproof vehicles have been provided, and you can see that the security forces are keeping a very strong eye. You can see that the security forces are keeping a very strong eye, because security definitely is the utmost important thing, and this is doing the rounds in all the entire route from Imphal to Churachandpur, because this is the very sensitive area. So you can see that the security forces, they are keeping a very strong vigil in the entire route from Imphal to Churachandpur. This is just between Imphal and Churachandpur, just after crossing Bishnupur. We'll talk to him. Sir, Prime Minister is coming. What is your reaction to it?
I'm very happy. In fact, that is what we all are looking forward for the last 2 years. And I'm sure that with his visit here, there is a ray of hope in bringing about a change in Manipur, and sooner the state will return to the normalcy. It will boost up the normalcy, and people do expect the Prime Minister to be giving some points regarding especially the situation which has really deteriorated in the last 2 years, and we all hope that it will help in bringing about an understanding, removing the trust deficit, and also bring about a confidence amongst the people with the central government.
It's written in all the banners and posters that near about 8,500 crore of developmental projects he will inaugurate. What's your take on that?
We are indeed grateful to him for the the various projects. But what the people are looking forward is not only the projects. Projects, we all are aware that when the Prime Minister comes, he will bring about a lot of changes, inauguration of projects, foundation laying stone of various projects. But what the people of the state are looking is some concrete steps to ensure that the fractured society is reunited. Whatever that fracture has taken place, it is cemented back. That is what the people are looking forward to.
Tell us that, the Prime Minister's visit, what's your expectation?
Although the visit of the Prime Minister is a little late, we hope that there will be positive changes through his visit. We are resilient people, and however the scars of this conflict is still visible, we believe and hope that we can move forward through peace, and then Prime Minister will bring normalcy in our state.
A lot of projects will be inaugurated by him worth rupees 8,500 crore. So what is your take on that moving forward of Manipur?
I think it will help in the development of Manipur in a way forward, and then it will bring peace and reconciliations between both the communities, and then all those underdeveloped will develop into more
development.
Yes.
So you want more job, more. You think you want more job and more these things.
Yes, and for economic connectivity between the mainland India and the northeast state like Manipur and other facilities which has been excluded will improve more in that.
After meeting the IDPs, the Honorable Prime Minister will visit the Peace Ground in Churachandpur, and at the Peace Ground there would be foundation laying ceremony of various projects catering to projects across the state. IDP से मिलने के पश्चात माननीय प्रधानमंत्री चुराचांदपुर के पीस मैदान में शिलान्यास करेंगे बहुत सारी ऐसी प्रोजेक्ट्स का जो पूरे राज्य में प्रोजेक्ट्स फैले हुए हैं, जिसका मैं अभी विस्तार से जानकारी भी दूंगा। उन प्रोजेक्ट्स का शिलान्यास करेंगे, फाउंडेशन लेइंग सेरेमनी करेंगे, और वहां जो हमारे बंधु मौजूद होंगे उनको एड्रेस भी करेंगे। द ऑनरेबल प्राइम मिनिस्टर विल आल्सो एड्रेस द गैदरिंग एट द पीस फील्ड in Churachandpur during the foundation laying ceremony. Thereafter, the Honorable Prime Minister will reach Imphal at around 2 p.m. उसके पश्चात माननीय प्रधानमंत्री लगभग 2 बजे दोपहर को इम्फाल पहुंचेंगे. And on reaching Imphal, he will go to Kangla, and the first thing that he would do is interacting with the IDPs at the Kangla.